Hello everyone, this is Prikamsha and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this Python video series we will learn how to use join function in Spark Data. Okay. So whoever know the SQL, they also know the join function about the join function. Okay. So in Spark, how we can use the join? That is, there are multiple kinds of joins that I am showing you. Okay. There are multiple joins up there. Okay. So I'll show you and hands-on. If you don't know about the join, you can also use the help function to know about the joint and also go through the documentation of the joint. Okay, then you'll get to understand. But I will show you here hands-on, doing hands-on. Then you will get the clarification about this join function in Spark. Okay. If you don't know SQL also, then also it is okay. I'll show you here. So, basically how to join two data frames. In that case, we use the join function, but we also use the merge function earlier. Okay, that I have already shown you in my earlier playlist. Okay, in my earlier video, you can go to the playlist. All the videos are in sequence. Okay, please go and watch it. Okay, but using join, how we can join two data frame, that is also we will see it from here. Okay, so for joining two data frame, we need to mention the first data frame. After that, join bracket with that the second data frame. Okay, I have already created two data frame, as you can see here. This is our first data frame and this is our second data frame. Okay, here ID name and age are there and here ID name and city are there. Okay, so first data frame dot join second data frame name. Okay, after that just give one comma and give the join condition. Okay, ts1 dot id. Okay, equals to ts2 dot id. For me the condition will be like this. Okay, and after that just mention here which kind of join do you need. I want to do inner join. Okay, so that's why I have mentioned here dot for showing. So what is the issue? Let me check here. Uh, okay, here I have mistake. The typing mistake it is. Okay, this one is here once again. You will get the data. Okay, based on the join condition, ID equals to ID. Okay, so the one ID is Rahul for the first zero, second ID is Raj. So first ID is Rahul, second ID is Raj. You already got it. Okay. But if you will not mention any kind of join here, any kind of join type here, then automatically by default it will take inner join. Okay. So for the outer join, what will be the data? For the left join, we'll see first. For the left join, first it is giving the data of the first data frame as it is in the left. Okay, so first data frame we have three data. First it has taken the three data, and after that based on that it is based on the condition it is giving the data. Okay, one Rahul, then it is from the second data frame it is using the Rahul's data, after that Raj's data, and as Priya's data is not there in the second data frame it is giving as null. Okay, if I'll select the right join, it is giving the data for the right join. And as there and there is as there is no data uh, for the ID 3 in the second data frame, so it is only giving this. Okay, so if I will give here another data, this find ID 4 name should be nil, it should be okay, it should be okay. So in this, we will get the data here. In the, for this condition, for right condition, what will be the output? You can see. So the right, as we are doing the right join, so it is prioritizing the right data frame first. Okay, so it has taken the data from the right data frame. After then, based on the condition, it is giving the data for the left data frame. So as we don't have anyone on ID4 base ID4 for ID4 in the first data frame, so it is giving as null. Okay, so if you want to use here the select statement, then how you will do? If you don't want to select the columns multiple times, the same column, then what you will do? I only want to select the ID after joining. I want to select the ID, after that name, after that age, and after that city. So basically in this way, if we want to select, then what we will do? So let's see what we will do. We first mm, give one name of our data frame. Okay. Give it like the tab one. Okay, so after that we can select it tab one tab. Okay, so as we are taking it as a phone, then we need to specify it here. Okay, so the same way specify it here, consider it as a column. Okay, so after that the joining will be right join. Okay, uh, so everything is okay, fine. So we just need to import the call function from PySpark dot SQL dot function import call. Okay, so now we can run it. No, before that we need to select what we our motto is to select the uh, the ID, name, and age and city after joining done. Okay, so we don't want to display the name ID column multiple times. Okay, so for this we also need to use select statement here. You can also store this in other data frame variable, and after that also we can use the select option, select function. Okay, but we are doing it in a single line. Okay, So what we will do, select whatever column you need to select, you want to select, just select it. I'm selecting uh, dot graph a dot id. Okay. After that, you want to select a dot name. After that, want to select a dot age. A dot city. Okay. So now, um, I am getting one bigger. Let me check. Sorry, by mistakenly I have taken here A and B because I was first selecting here taking the name as A and B, so it was in my mind. That's why by mistakenly I have mentioned here A and B. That's why the error was getting. You can say okay, data one, whatever you have used in alias name, you just use it here that name. Okay, where based on that name the id is called. Okay, uh, after that the name and the age and city. Okay, so here the data. So it will select here data 2, data 2, what data will be. Okay, so we are getting id of name is not name is nil. Okay, so as we are doing the join for right. Okay, right, as we are doing the right joining, so whenever we are selecting the data to second data frame, here second data frame columns here, so we are getting the data. Okay, we are getting the data for id and for number for id. Okay, because number for id is in the second data frame. Okay, but whenever we are doing the lib, we are selecting the first one data frame reference, but we are not getting because number for id is not there. Only for city, because city is in general I'm selecting, so that's why it's only giving the city. Based on that, you also just do the hands-on and do the try the joining for the other method. Okay, and you will also get to understand what is the thing going on here. Okay, so this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please do like and share with your friends so that they will get the benefit of this video. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please pin that doubt in the video comment section. I'll try to give you your answer. Okay, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel because your support is too much required for us. Okay, it will motivate us also. Okay, please do like, share, and subscribe and support us. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.